Hi, I'm Patrick McCarty, Director of Product Management with MontaVista Software. And this is Tushar Gohead, one of our lead engineers with our virtualization strategy. Today we're here to demonstrate the power of our bare metal engine and how it can propel Linux performance by over 600%.
So what you're looking at is the bare metal engine demo hardware setup. This is the Cavium Opteon 2 series 6300 board. We boot Linux on it from a flash drive. The board has 6 cores on it. It has an external gigabit Ethernet port with 4 gigi ports coming out. The 4 ports are connected to the Ixia IP performance tester, which helps us test the performance of 4 streams forwarded by an application running on the board.
For today's demonstration, we'll compare the performance of kernel IP forwarding with small packets to that of a bare metal engine IP forwarding application. Here we have Linux on 6 cores forwarding 64-byte IP packets on 4 gigi streams. When we run a throughput test, we can see that SMP Linux on 6 cores with no load on the system can sustain 70% of the line rate without losing packets. Here we've reconfigured our Cavium Opteon 2 board with our bare metal engine. We've got our bare metal engine dedicated to 1 core with BME Shield, and we have CPU bound load on the remaining 5 CPUs. Here you can see at the top that 100% of the CPU is being dedicated to the simple forwarding application that's in our bare metal engine, while the remaining 5 CPUs are loaded with a CPU intensive task. Okay. Here we've run the same identical throughput test with our bare metal engine on a single core. And as you can see, with 64-byte frames per second, it's running the same 70% line rate with a single core. This is equivalent to 600% increase in performance over the 6 cores with Linux in SMP mode. Will increase standard Linux performance by 600%. It'll dedicate CPU and other hardware up to 99.9%. And it's a perfect replacement for your RTOS in your high-performance application needs.